back. It's me, Claire, and then here's my brother.
Welcome to this channel. We are making another computer. Okay, I forgot what to say now.
Today's video is brought to you by FarmRage PH Holistic Agribusiness. Check out their healthy chocolates and newest Choco Spread product in their website. Links are listed down below.
So these are the parts. Let me show you before we begin. This is gonna be the motherboard we're gonna be using. Asus TUF Gaming motherboard B40M Pro.
Yeah. This is going to be our storage for the OS. BioStar M.2 SSD. And it has 256 gigabytes. That's great. Moving on.
And for our graphics card, we're gonna have Radeon RX 570 ROG Strix Gaming graphics card.
Okay, for our other storage, we have Plextor M8V SATA. Yeah.
And this is gonna be our RAM, DDR4 memory, CFD Gaming's DRAM, CX1 series.
Looks like it's
We have two inside of this.
two inside.
Yeah. Okay. For our CPU, we're gonna be using AMD's Ryzen 5 third generation processor.
For our cooling fan, we have Cirrus at ASL 120 from InWin.
So this is gonna be our power supply. It's a power supply from Kurotoshiko, a Japanese company. An ATX power supply, 550 watts, and 80 plus bronze. So this is gonna be our case. It's from Sama. There's a glass, and the buttons are up here.
He likes to
Okay.
bust the buttons.
Because it looks so clean.
Because it's new.
And you can
Mini sure awesome.
So I showed you all the parts. Let's start building. Here you go. So this is gonna be our motherboard. This is how it looks like. It looks so nice and black. Okay, first I'm gonna be installing the CPU. So this is our CPU fan. And our CPU. So when you put on the CPU, you have to be careful because there's actually a way to put this to install this. You have to see you need to find what they call an arrow or some kind of triangle, like a sign. There's one here. It's so small though. So if it fits right in, it means it's the right way. So you're gonna lock that like this. You're gonna pull this down and get that stuck there. Okay, so that's locked and secured. So we're gonna use this paste first, thermal paste.
Oh my.
Okay. Or actually, no, just fine, I guess. Yep, perfect. Okay. so small, but also nice. Compact. Oh man. They call that astig.
Can okay. Screwing time.
The design. This is our graphics card. Yay! Big. Very big.
Because it's
Okay.
like Korea. Look, it's up so boing. Oh.
We finished the PC building and the wire management. So
I'm sure about that.
this is the graphics board, and this is the CPU with the fan, and this is the RAM.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and I hope that this video was helpful for you and making your PC. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what was helpful and share to your friends. You know?
See you next time.
Yeah.